Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you must be fine. Yes. Okay, tell me, I have taught you something now? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. What I have taught you? Rhymes? Okay, good. Okay, which rhyme I have taught you? Tell me, come on. Baba Black Sheep? No. Then Johnny Johnny? No. Then which rhyme? Twinkle, twinkle, yes, twinkle, twinkle. Now today I have brought a very interesting game for you. You know? Yes, you know? Oh, okay. Now let's start the game. Okay. Okay, now tell me who like Dane? Who like Dane? No one like? I too like very much. Who like Dane? Come on, tell me. You like Dane? Okay. Okay, you know what Dane is called in English? Do you know? No, you don't know. Okay, I will tell you. It is called as peanut. What it is called? Peanut. Peanut. What it is called? Peanut. Okay? Now don't forget. And tell to Mama also. Okay? Now, come on, tell me what is this? Yes, this is a ball. Very good. And do you know what is this? No, you don't know. This is forceps. Yes. Okay, now what is this? I have just now told you what is this. Yes, this is peanut. Yes. Okay. Now, ma'am will teach you how to hold the forceps. Okay. Now tell me what is this? Yes, this is thumb man. Now tell me what is this? Yes, this is pointer man. And now tell me what is this? This is a tall man. Yes. Now I will teach you how to hold it. Okay. 1 thumb man, 2 pointer man, 3 tall man. Okay. Now what you will do with this forceps, we will pick up the peanuts. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you understand? Will you play this game with your mama? Yes? Okay. Acha, if you will not play with this game with mama, no, then I am not going to talk with you. I will not bring any games, any rhymes, any star, nothing for you. Even ma'am will not love you also if you will not listen to me. Ma'am to love you khub sara. Do you love ma'am? Yes? Yes, I know that you love me a lot. So my dear students, go and play this game with your mama. Till that time, bye-bye. Love you.